What is up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. You are joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac, and today we are bringing in something different to the channel. And actually I started collecting KYOSHO models recently, KYOSHO 164s, and I kinda have a pretty good amount of cars in my collection. And today we have a set of Ferraris. So actually these are fixed in Ferrari, so let's take the car out and you guys will see what I mean. And actually you have to build your car, so it comes in parts and they have given all the necessary equipments you need to fix this. So pretty good actually, like you get to fix your own car model. So let's get into the car and let's see how things work out. And as always, they have given the card. So with every KYOSHO model they give out a card with the description, but this is actually in Japanese. And in the back they have given how the car is to be set. So they have given each and every part. We just have to collect them all together. And today we have the Ferrari 575 GTC. So let's get into it. So we have the car body kit, and pretty decent and pretty heavy. And the inner sole, the interior, this is the exterior of the car. And you guys can see this is actually metal, but internals are all plastic, though they have given a pretty good amount of details into it. KYOSHO has always been pretty good in details. And as you guys can see, it's a pack with 4 different compartments: the front tires, the rear tires, the seat, and the nails to fix it in. So we'll get into it and we'll start fixing, packaging, and get it out. So there we have all the pieces that we need. So let's take them one by one out. And we have the tires, the wheels that we need, and then we have the nails to fix it, and also the seat as well. So we have all the pieces that we need. To tell you how good they are with the details is, you can see actually even the tires look different. The rear tires are a bit more bigger than the front tires. And let's get into fixing. Let's get the manual, let's get the card and see how we have to fix it. And let's actually start with the wheels. Let's fix in the wheels first. So we actually set up 2 tires, the rear and the front, and you guys can see the different size. The front is a bit more smaller than the rear tires. And let's fix in the rest. So we have it, the 2 tires are done, and now we have the rear. There we go, that's also set. And so that is done. Now we have to fix in these to the tire compartment. So small ones go in front and the big ones go in the back. So that is done. And this is actually not stable because you have to fit in the sole with the upper body, so then only it gets fit properly. And we also have to fix in the seats as well, so we'll get that fixed first. So the seat, actually you have to put it underneath and you have to clip it in. So we got the seat fixed, and then we can put the car all together, and let's fix in the car, and we just have to clip it in. There you go, it's done, and it moves. All the tires work perfectly. And then let's put on the car, and there you have it. So let's put in the screw nails and fix it up, and they actually have provided a screwdriver as well. So let's screw it in. Not that much of a big deal because they have actually given the manual for us to fix it, so it's not gonna be that hard. And you just have to have a bit of patience when you do this because it's small parts and it might break. I don't know if it has actually happened, but it might break, so better to be careful. So right, parts are done, the car is in good condition and pretty good, to be honest. With the details and the livery, it's actually pretty good. So this is the Ferrari 575 GTC, the track edition, and just one more piece to go. We just have to fix it in to the stage, and the work is done. The Ferrari 575 GTC, the track edition, and it's all set, and see, won't come up, and they have given a screw nail for you to fix from the bottom so the car won't go anywhere, and it's properly fixed on the stage. Something different to the channel, and we're actually planning on bringing in different variations of different brands, so you guys can explore what is out there and to get to know about different models and brands that are coming in. So as always, hope you guys like the video. Support us through liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news. So hope to see you guys on the next video very soon.